We know there's nothing more important in Philadelphia than the neighborhoods, right? Not stadiums, although we love them, not City Hall, no offense, guys. But the neighborhoods and the spaces where we play and live and worship.
Amazing things happen every single day here at Heitzman and for young people.
What I love about this neighborhood is it fights. No matter what you're facing, you fight, and you fight, and you fight, and you care.
Are you listening? Your job is to help design and envision what this recreation center and playground should look like. Are you ready to take that job? That job begins today. We're going to go in that recreation center and you're going to start to give your input about what you want to see here. And you're going to continue to give that input until the construction trucks show up. Are you ready to do that?
It up or you won't have programs there and it'll never happen. Well, it happened. It can happen because it happened because of the will of the people, and you here in this community, the people that are sitting right here, are going to make it happen. Playground what you want, with you the community need. The ideas are going to come from you so that we can look at this place, reimagine it for your children to be able to grow here, be proud of, to have memories here so they could pass it on to their children.
Celebrate the first stage of work here at Heitzman. This is a really strong neighborhood. It's going through a lot of obstacles right now and a lot of difficulties, but the heart and soul of this community is strong.